Understanding the phrase, creep someone out. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the intriguing world of English expressions. Specifically, we'll explore the phrase, creep someone out. This expression is commonly used in everyday conversations, and understanding it will not only enrich your vocabulary but also enhance your comprehension of native speakers. Let's get started. The phrase, creep someone out, is a colloquial expression used to describe a feeling of discomfort, unease, or fear, usually because something or someone appears strange or frightening. When you say that something creeps you out, you're essentially saying that it gives you an eerie feeling, makes you shudder, or makes your skin crawl. It's important to note that this expression is quite informal and is best used in casual conversations or creative writing. While the exact origins of creep someone out are a bit murky, the word creep has been associated with slow, stealthy, and quiet movements, often linked to creatures like spiders or characters in horror stories. Over time, the term evolved to describe not just the movement but also the unsettling feelings that certain actions, appearances, or atmospheres can evoke. Today, you might hear this phrase in various contexts, from describing a scary movie to talking about someone's peculiar behavior. To fully grasp the usage of creep someone out, let's look at some examples. The way that guy was staring at me really creeped me out. I love watching horror movies, even though they creep me out. She has a collection of old dolls that really creep her friends out. In these sentences, creep out is used to express the feeling of being disturbed or scared by someone or something. Today, we've unraveled the meaning behind the phrase, creep someone out. Now that you understand what it means and how to use it, you can add it to your vocabulary and recognize it in conversations or movies. Remember, learning a language is all about understanding the nuances of expressions like these. Happy learning, and we hope this video has been helpful.